can make this car jump on this ramp into the water. Woo-hoo. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that wasn't very fast at all. Why don't we see how many pieces of track it takes to make this go super fast and go into the water? Let's go! One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So many. This is gonna go so fast. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! That was awesome. Let's go again. Come on.